Hello, this is David Xie with the Xie Mortgage Team again, and today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite subjects of all time, investment properties. Back when I was a young man, I met a really good friend, and he's actually the godfather of my oldest son now. Phil actually taught me something at a very young age that I'll always carry on in life, and that's to put your money into 4 different investment buckets. So you put a little in the bank, you put some in your house, you invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and one of his 4th buckets has really changed my life, and that's investment properties. So qualifying for investment properties in this day and age is pretty challenging. You may have heard of the 10 property rule. If you've talked to other lenders, they may have options such as the standard 20% down investment properties. But the benefit of buying an investment property is not only are you putting your money into something that hopefully appreciates over time as it's appreciated, for the last 2022 years, but you're building equity. If you have a good occupancy rate, you've got someone that's continuing to pay it down for you. And when you go to sell it, whether you sell it or you pass it on to your other family members, at that point, they have the option to either cash out and take in a huge lump sum of money, or they can have it continued renting and take in the passive income. So we've got a lot of experience qualifying people for properties. We actually have a proprietary calculator where when we take the tax returns and we input it into our calculator, it gives us numbers typically within 5% of what the underwriter is going to be accepting. So you have a really high conversion rate here. A typical Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac loan is going to require you to put 20% down on the property, and you're going to have to conform with the conforming loan limits, which is going to right around 625 this year. If you're in a high price area, that changes too. There's a lot of other things that go on in rental property qualifications, and here at the Xie Mortgage Team, not only do we have the standard ways of qualifying for investment properties, but we have alternative products such as business bank statement loans or even bank statement products to qualify, as well as debt service coverage ratio loans. And those are rental property loans that we are not verifying any of your income or any of your tax returns. And it's especially important in this day and age with such a competitive market to be able to close fast. So if you have any questions or you're out there shopping for an investment property, as you can see, this is a huge passion of mine. I love to talk to clients about it because there's nothing more exciting than owning my own rental properties, but to teach someone the wealth of knowledge that someone shared with me when I was at a young age. I love to see success stories. So please feel free to give us a call at 757-478-8493. And this is David Xie with the Xie Mortgage Team.